we will show you how to disassemble the Redmi 15 5G and related precautions. Before we proceed with disassembling this phone, please ensure that you back up all the data on the phone and then power it off. And then remove the SIM card tray. After that, use the heating platform. Turn on the power and wait for it to heat up to about 70 degrees Celsius. Place the phone on the heating platform, start the timer, and continue heating for 1 to 2 minutes. When the time is up, we can remove the phone from the heating platform and use the suction cup to secure the battery cover ASI. Use a plastic pry tool to slowly separate the battery cover ASI from the device. Use a needle screwdriver to remove the screws on the mainboard ASI. Then remove the screws on the subboard ASI. Flip the device over. Use a plastic pry tool to pry open the middle frame ASI clips. Flip the device again and lift the middle frame ASI. Disconnect the cable of the fingerprint module from the device, then remove the middle frame ASI. Remove the fingerprint module from the middle frame ASI. Being careful not to damage the fingerprint module cable. Disconnect the cables. First, disconnect the battery cable and disconnect the main FPC ASI from the mainboard ASI. Then, disconnect the front cover display module from the mainboard ASI. Remove the camera ASI. Disconnect camera rear main and remove it from the device. Disconnect camera rear macro depth and remove it from the device. Then disconnect camera front and remove it from the device. Next, disconnect the coaxial cable black from the mainboard ASI. After that, we can remove the mainboard ASI from the device. Then remove the receiver from the device. Remove the FPC ASI side key. Use tweezers to disconnect the FPC ASI side key from the device and remove it. Next, remove the subboard ASI. Remove the speaker ASI. Disconnect the main FPC ASI from the subboard ASI. Then disconnect the coaxial cable black from the subboard ASI. Tear off the conductive cloth motor. And remove the subboard ASI from the device. Remove the vibrator. Remove the battery. Tear off the easy release adhesive. Remove the battery. Remove any remaining easy release adhesive from the device. Remove the coaxial cable. Tear off the coaxial cable tray blocking foam. Then remove the coaxial cable black from the device. Then carefully remove the main FPC ASI. At this point, the disassembly of the Redmi 15 5G has been completed. Next, we will show you how to assemble the Redmi 15 5G. Assemble the vibrator. Use tweezers to put the vibrator into the proper position. Assemble the subboard ASSIE. Place the subboard ASSIE in the correct position. Press the subboard ASSIE gently to ensure it is properly installed. Assemble the coaxial cable. Connect the coaxial cable black to the subboard ASSIE and arrange the coaxial cable black into the cable trough. Then fit the coaxial cable tray blocking foam and press to ensure it fits in place. Assemble the main FPC ASSIE. Connect the main FPC ASSIE to the subboard ASSIE and place it in the correct position on the device. Press gently to ensure it is seated. Assemble the speaker ASSIE. Place the speaker ASSIE into the correct position of the device, making sure not to squeeze the components below, and press gently to ensure it is installed in place. Assemble the receiver. Place the receiver into the correct position on the device and gently press it to make sure it is securely in place. Assemble the FPC ASSIE side key. Place the FPC ASSIE side key into the correct position. Press to ensure it clicks into place, then tidy up the wiring harness to ensure it is installed in place. Assemble the mainboard ASSIE. Place the mainboard ASSIE into the device without squeezing the components underneath. Press firmly to ensure it fits into place. Assemble the camera ASSIE. Place camera front in the correct position of the device and connect it to the mainboard ASSIE and fit the radiating copper foil flat. Then place camera rear main in the correct position of the device and connect it to the mainboard ASSIE. Correct position. Put the battery in and press lightly to ensure a firm fit. Finally, connect the battery to the mainboard ASSIE. Assemble the middle frame ASSIE. First install the fingerprint module to the middle frame ASSIE. Then align the middle frame ASSIE with the device. First connect the cable of the fingerprint module to the mainboard ASSIE. Then install the middle frame ASSIE and press it to ensure it is installed in place. And then tighten the screws one by one. Tighten the screws on the subboard ASSIE. Assemble the battery cover ASSIE and press gently to install it in place. Finally, put the SIM card tray back into the device. Check whether the phone can be turned on normally and test whether the phone's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, sound, camera, and other functions can be used normally. If all functions operate normally, the assembly is complete. The above are all the disassembly and assembly steps of the Redmi 15 5G. Thank you for watching.